Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious brownies at home using just your microwave. It's super quick and easy. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need basic pantry staples such as flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and butter. Don't forget an egg, a dash of vanilla extract, and a tiny pinch of salt. Having everything at room temperature helps ensure a smooth, well-combined batter, making your brownie perfect. Now, let's get mixing. Start by melting 4 tablespoons of butter in a microwave-safe bowl for about 30 seconds. Once melted, whisk in 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 egg until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Next, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt. Finally, gently fold in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder until just combined, being careful not to overmix. It's time to cook our brownie. Pour your prepared batter into a greased microwave-safe mug or a small, shallow dish. Place it in the microwave and cook on high power for approximately 1 minute and 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Keep an eye on it. The edges should look set, but the center can still be slightly moist. Remember, microwave wattages vary, so you might need to adjust the cooking time by a few seconds. Your delicious microwave brownie is almost ready. Carefully remove the hot mug or dish from the microwave. It's important to let it cool for about 5 minutes before you dig in. This helps it set properly. For an extra treat, top your warm brownie with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, a dollop of whipped cream, or a simple dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy your perfectly fudgy, single-serving brownie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.